Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito yung reading natin for um, fire sign, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Take only what resonates, guys. Bale, hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat kasi hindi ko naman talaga makukuha lahat ng energy ng fire sign sa mundo. Anyway, kung ako po ay biglang magpo-post ng video, pagpasensyahan mo na lang kahit walang paalam, etc. Kasi medyo iba po yung setup ko ngayon and uh, actually nasa hospital ako. So, just in case na may pumasok, kailangan ko po talagang i-post yung video para kausapin yun. Anyway, let's start your reading. What do we have here for the sign of fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius? Hindi ko ito kukunin fire sign. Masyadong marami. You do have here the Nine of Pentacles. This is love reading, ha? The Hanged Man. And Emperor. Ace of Swords is at the bottom of the deck. Sorry din po pala kung medyo maingay. Kasi medyo ginagawa yung kabilang room. Okay, so the Nine of Pentacles, nakita tayo ng success for you, money. Pero the Hanged Man, medyo kailangan mo lang maghintay. No? Kailangan mo lang maghintay, huwag ka magpadalos-dalos. Like, you will be soon this itong success na gusto mong ma-achieve sa buhay mo. Pwede mong marating yun eh. Matalino ka, the Ace of Swords. Kung naman yung mga nasa isip mo, madiskarte kang tao. And the Emperor, you can build something from the scratch. For some of you could be an entrepreneur. Magkaiba kasi yun eh. Yung businessman at saka entrepreneur, magkaiba yun. Yung businessman, kaya mo mag-handle ng business. But the entrepreneur is someone na nagkikreate ng business. Okay? Especially if you are that kind of person. Na kaya mo mag-create ng business or kaya mong ayun, alam mo yun, kahit from the scratch, kahit wala kang knowledge about etc. about this thing, and pwede mo siyang matutunan or malaman kung paano ang gagawain. Okay? And especially if you are entrepreneur, of course, hindi ka naman talaga dapat madali. Pag nagnegosyo ka, hindi agad automatic may kita, may kliyente, may customer. You know what I mean? So, huwag ka magmadali sa part na yun. Pero may nakikita tayong success for you. Okay, and next. Wait lang. Okay, so you also do have here the Ten of Wands, the Two of Pentacles, and the Empress. Okay, may nakikita tayo ditong person na talagang gusto ka niya. Gusto ka niya, pag nakikita ka niya, like, ina-admire ka talaga na itong taong to. Justice card, maybe something or someone from your workplace or nakakita tayo ng neighborhood, so pwedeng kapitbahay or maybe from your workplace. Okay? So gusto ko nitong taong to na tutuwa siya sa'yo or nagugustuhan ka niya sa more on physical kasi pwedeng for some of you this could be a client. So if you do have a business or maybe if you're working in a industry wherein may mga nakakasalamuha kang kliyente or customer, so pwedeng yon. And nagugustuhan niya kung paano ka makipag-usap. You have a lot of, sasabihin ng iba, hindi naman ako ganun kagandahan, kapogian, pero you are actually malakas ang dating. Now, being a fire sign, Fire sign are actually, especially Sagittarius, pero pwede rin naman ng fire sign. Hindi ako against sa fire sign, or I mean, meron kasing sa mga astrologer may usapin na kahit gaano kapangit ang Sagittarius or ang fire sign, no? Malakas ang dating niyan, 'di ba? Kaya niya maka-attract ng mga tao, no? And that is what is happening here. So, malakas ang dating mo sa kanya. Okay? Pero with the Empress, pwede rin kasing literal na may itsura ka siya or may itsura ka para sa kanya. Okay? This could be a new person. The Two of Pentacles, yeah, this person is really attracted to you. Kahit pa para sa'yo, hindi maganda or hindi naman okay yung tsura kung ganito ganyan. Pero itong person na ito, this person finds you attractive. The Hermit is here, Virgo energy. The Ace of Wands. Yeah, this is a new person. Meron siya something na tinitignan sa'yo na or may nakikita siya sa'yo na hindi nakikita ng iba. Diba? That could be your attitude or maybe yung dating mo iba para sa kanya. Kasi iba-iba naman talaga tayo ng ng gusto sa isang tao. Maybe there's something here, there's someone na parang you find attractive, tapos para sa kaibigan mo or para sa kasama mo, hindi naman sila nagugustuhan or hindi nila nagugustuhan yun. So, this person medyo weird nga kasi nga may something siya nagugustuhan sa'yo or nakikita sa'yo na hindi naman nakikita ng iba sa'yo. And you do have here the Strength card, Leo energy. Knight of Pentacles and the Eight of Wands. So, actually this person nakita din na sexual attraction. So, maybe with regards to your body na nagugustuhan ng taong ito. The Lovers is here, Gemini energy, and yeah, this person is like a fast kind of person. Gusto niya makipag-date or dalhin ka sa isang place wherein medyo adventurous ang energy niya adventure. So, maybe kung yayayain ka niya sa date, it's not just a typical date na sabihin mo kumain sa restaurant, etc. Maybe it's a kind of date wherein may mga activities. Like, maybe, punta tayo sa ganito, ganyan. Sa mga place wherein may mga activities. Okay? So, pwedeng yayain ka niya mag-rock climbing or mag-zipline, mag-camping, pwedeng ganon. Any kind of the date na pwedeng gusto niya may aktibidad na ginagawa doon. Not a regular kind of date. Or maybe long ride, bago mag-long ride tayo. And because this person wants to have fun with you. And maybe with regards to your personality, ayun, nakikita niya sa'yo that you are a fun person to be with, and nakikita niya ito as something na parang pagkakapareho ninyo. By the way, sorry about, napakalapit ko sa camera kasi as much as possible gusto ko marinig mo, lalo na medyo maingay sa background. And unfortunately, hindi ako makapagsalita din ng malakas. So, ako na lang yung lumapit sa camera. Okay? So, let's get the outcome for you for fire sign. The Chariot is here. Page of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Cancer energy. One last card. Page of Wands. So, nakakita tayo ng communication, or this person, hindi siya mahiyain. Definitely gusto ka niya. And this person will, want to maybe even travel with you. This person wants to be with you. Magiging open siya doon. Okay? Or come with me. Sumama ka sa akin, ganito, ganyan. Punta tayo sa ganito, ganyan. Because this person will be more open pagdating sa kanyang emotions or pagkagusto niya sa'yo. And the 12 swords, it's either a yes or no. Masyado siya padalos-dalos. But, maybe yung iba naman sa inyo, pwedeng magsimula as friends. Like, pwedeng maramdaman mo yung feeling na parang may gusto sa akin ng taong to, pero friends lang kayo. Yun kasi pwedeng inuna niya muna as friends, or lalapit siya sa'yo muna as kunwari friends, ganun. But, there's something behind that. This person wants to know you more, even more. Ayan, so, parang pwedeng to the point na kakaibiganin ka muna niya, no? And, yeah, that's it for now. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all, and bye-bye.